Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to MODAS Silk U destinations of for exclusive silk saree. Today we present to you the magnificent GAJJI silk saree available at unbelievable price, just 2900. Immerse yourself in luxury with this opulent saree that exude elegance and grace, crafted with precious and care. The GAJJI silk saree is made from the finest silk fabric. It draped beautifully on any body type, enhancing your feminine charm. The saree features intricate and delicate embroidery, adding a touch of glamour to your ensemble. The vibrant color and exude pattern are a testament to our commitment to quality and style. Whether it's a wedding or festive occasion or a special event, this GAJJI silk saree is your perfect companion. It is a blend of tradition and trendy fashions, making you stand out in the crowd. But it's not all. At MODAS Silk, we believe in exceeding your exceptions. Apart from the unbeatable price, we also offer free shipping and hassle-free return. Our customer support team is always ready to assist you in your saree journey, ensuring your satisfaction every steps of the way. And so why wait? Indulge yourself in luxury and celebrate your unique style and with the GAJJI silk saree. Visit our website, and if you want to purchase this saree, then the link is in description box. You can check it out. Till then, bye, take care, and thank you for watching my video.